All right, Wade, can you name the top 10 most stolen vehicles in 2022? The list just came out.
I'd say Dodge Charger, Dodge Challenger, Ram 1500, Ford F-150, probably Honda Accord, Honda Civic, Kia,
Kia what?
like any Kia with a key. Hyundai Sonata, probably. Kia Soul, Hyundai Tucson.
Dodge Challenger, Dodge Charger,
This is literally the first two that I said.
Jeep Cherokee SRT models, Hyundai Elantras, Honda Civics, Honda Accords, Honda CRV, probably Toyota Corollas, Toyota Camrys, Ford trucks.